Miaka mugwanja thutha wa tharikira ya itoi nyumba-ini ya biacara ya Westgate, igoti nirerekereirie itua iguru ria ekwirwo atatu aria maikirio ngono makigiritanio na ngero ino. Mucirithania Francis Andai akiehereria mwekwirwo wa gatatu Riban Abdullah Omari mahitia na kuga gutire na uira muiganu wa kuonania ni anyitire itemi tharikira-ini ino.
The involvement of the third accused person was, however, not explained other than the fact that he dealt with one Abdikarim Hared, and that is why the court acquitted him under section 210 of that count of conspiracy.
No na kuri uguo mucirithania Andai augite igoti nironete hatari na nganja ati Mohamed Ahmed Abdi na Hussein Hassan Mustafa mari na mahitia akiuga ni manyitikanire na indo cia wekinae na ati ni mateithirie gutafania tharikira ino.
I am, however, satisfied that the prosecution has proved its case against the first and fourth accused persons on the respective charges facing them herein beyond a reasonable doubt. I find them guilty and convict them accordingly.
Itua riri rikigathiririo ni mwena wa thitango makiuga mwisho kihoto nikionekanite.
This is a matter that has lasted for 7 years, and we appreciate that the moment you took it over, you made sure that it moved with speed.
Ripoti ya kuhaririria gutuo gwa kioho kia ekwirwo aya eri irarĩrĩirio tariki 22 mweri-ini uyu wa 10. Ekwirwo aya eri manyitikanite na mahitia mangetheirwo ni kioho kia miaka ikinyite o 20 njera. Ngiribotera Inooro TV retwendekwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.